long time, I've been looking for software that can turn my handwritten diagrams, the ones that we create during meetings, into something professionally looking. And here we go. I found a way. And if there are other ways out there and other software that you are using, please let me know in the comments. So you upload it onto Gemini, your handwritten diagram. Please turn the attached into mermaid code. You can use ChatGPT or any of the others. It will produce a lovely code which you copy. Go to a website, drawio.com. It's a free diagramming website software. And go to Arrange, Insert, Mermaid, and you paste your code. And there you go. Your diagram has just been created. And from here, you can change the colors, change the positions, add things, modify things as you feel fit.